Hi, welcome to Mobile World Congress 2026. I'm Dan Jarvis. Welcome to the Teledyne FLIR OEM booth. Let's take a look at what's new this year. This year, Teledyne FLIR is introducing the Lepton XDS. This is a very unique system in the market and one that the market has been asking for and asking us to develop for many, many years. We've taken the input from all the customers, the OEMs, the market itself, and users, and we actually have made this product and designed this product for fast integration, easy integration, and excellence in image quality. The Lepton XDS incorporates a Lepton 3.5 imager, which is a 160 by 120 thermal imaging camera, along with a 5 megapixel visible camera. And what we do that's unique is we integrate our MSX technology, which is the first time that FLIR has offered this technology in a compact PCB type design available for everyone. So people have access to our patented MSX technology. Also in this package is the ability to do upsampling and VividIR through our Prism ISP software. What that means is we're actually taking the image and upsampling and using our VividIR technology to actually have an output of a 640 by 480 thermal imaging camera. So the image quality is 4 times as nice as just a standard Lepton, and you couple that with the MSX technology and you get some amazing image quality. So come on, let's take a look at what it actually looks like at this point. What you're looking at here is actually the development board, which is the larger PCB, and the Lepton XDS is actually the inner board that's here. So what we've done is we've made a simple development kit with a USB output for people to test, trial, take a look at the product, send commands, and start their integration process very quickly. But again, what you're going to be purchasing from an OEM perspective in volume would be the inner circuit board here. Again, this is the Lepton 3.5 imager, and this is the 5 megapixel RGB camera. And on the back side is all the circuitry with an IMX8 processor that's doing all of the Prism ISP software as well as the MSX integration that's factory calibrated when it gets to you. The other nice thing with the XDS from a fast integration perspective for applications like early fire detection, for data centers, especially AI data centers where you have a lot of heat and a lot of electrical switchgear to monitor, things like EV charging stations, EV battery manufacturing sites, security cameras, typical condition monitoring applications for 24/7 of critical machinery. This system is set up for companies to quickly get into the thermal market through the Lepton XDS. And as I show you here, some of the tools that you're going to be able to analyze and quickly do are things like spot meters, regions of interest, and things like that right out of the box. If I come in here and take a look at some of the functions that are going to be inherent in the Lepton XDS are going to be things like changing the video mode, changing color palettes, changing the emissivity of objects, adding isotherms, adding spot meters, and I'll do that because that's a pretty common request, right? We're going to come in here and add a spot meter. I'm just going to put it in the center of the image. As you can see here, it automatically added a spot meter and is telling me what the temperature of that object is, right? So if I put my hand in front of it, there it is. You can also tell, just based on looking at this image, you can actually see the MSX alignment going on along with the upsampling of the thermal image, and you get a beautiful thermal image out of it. You can do spot meters. You're going to be able to do things like region of interest, what we call a measurement box. So you'll be able to come in here and actually send a command to do a measurement box. And there you go. It's going to be showing you the maximum temperature, the coolest temperature of that region of interest, and actually giving you the value. The Lepton XDS not only allows you for a fast integration through the incorporation of the FLIR patented MSX technology, the FLIR Prism ISP, giving you VividIR, the fast time to market because of its design, USB output, but no product would be complete without an ecosystem, a software package, right? And so what we've done for the first time is actually allow customers access to the radiometric JPEG file through the capturing of images through the Lepton XDS. So as we see here, we got our Lepton XDS screen on here with the MSX, a couple of boxes, a spot meter, etc. And I just go ahead and save that image. And when I save that image, I can actually come into my FLIR Thermal Studio software package and recall that image and actually start doing post-processing on it because it is in the radiometric JPEG format. So I can do things like add a spot meter, add rectangles, get the temperature measurement of various objects and scenes, create reports, etc. This is truly on the FLIR ecosystem, allowing you greater access to things like report generation and post-processing, all through the Lepton XDS. The Lepton XDS incorporated FLIR's MSX technology, FLIR's VividIR technology for 640 by 480 output resolution using Prism ISP, easy integration, USB out, fast time to market.